On example 5, it says write the equation on the line through the points 3, 4, and 3, -1. Our first step is to find our slope. So again, I'm going to use the slope formula, and I'm going to label my points. And so I will have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. -1 minus 4 is -5. 3 minus 3 is 0. If you try to do -5 divided by 0 in your calculator, you will get an error. That is because we do not know how to divide by 0. When this happens, that is how you get an undefined slope. Well, we learned earlier that an undefined slope means that you have a vertical line. Well, if I have a vertical line, that means that my slope, my equation is x equals a number. Well, what does x equal? If I look at my ordered pairs, my x coordinates are the same. X equals 3. This is your equation of the line. So whenever you get an undefined slope, your equation will always x equals a number, and that number will always be what your x coordinates are. This will always happen when these two numbers are the same. It will never happen when they are different. So if your x coordinates are different and you got an undefined slope, go back and double check your work, because the only way that you can get an undefined slope is if both of your x coordinates are the exact same number. Let's try example 6. So on example 6, it says write the equation on the line that goes to the points -4, -2, and 1, -2. So again, my first step is to find my slope. So I'm going to use my slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So when I plug into the slope formula, I have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. A negative times a negative is a positive. -2 plus 2 is 0. 1 plus 4 is 5. What's 0 divided by 5? Well, that's 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. When you have a slope of 0, we learned that that means that you have a horizontal line. Horizontal lines are always y equals a number. Well, what number does y equal? Let's look at our coordinates. Here y equals -2, and here y equals -2. So our equation of this line is y equals -2. This will always happen when your y coordinates are the exact same number. You will always get 0 on top. When 0 is on top, you get 0 as your slope. When 0 is in the denominator, you get an undefined slope.